and welcome back. This is Trinity Vandenaker, and I'm going to be walking you through today is how to, just for absolute beginners, how to set up a WordPress installation, just a basic WordPress installation, and how to get started with it as your website. First of all, you must have a hosting account and a domain name. So what I'm using right here is I'm using bluehost.com, and you can get an account for them for I don't know, $5 or $6 a month, and a domain name will cost you about $11 or $12 for a year. Once you have that, you will log into your account and you'll go to cPanel. In this cPanel, very easy to start a WordPress installation. You just double click on this little WordPress icon right here and follow the instructions. If you have any problems with that at all, just contact WordPress, and I mean not WordPress, sorry, Bluehost, and they will put it on there for you. Very simple, easy, and free. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and say that that's installed. This is what it's going to look like when you go to your URL. It's going to look like this and ask you for a config file. So you just click config, create a configuration file. You'll get this screen. So you click let's go. Now right here, you're going to enter in the database name and username for all your all the stuff that you're going to do. So with WordPress, now for this one, I'm going to enter in I'm just using a local host, so this is what it will be. Alright, submit that. Alright, and run the install. Alright, now we have the database set up. So what we're going to do is just create a site title. So this will be for a screencast. I'll leave the username as admin. You can change it to anything you want. And we'll put that. Sorry about that. I'll get this correct at some point. All right. Your email address. And for right now, I don't want to allow search engines, so I'll just use that. Click install WordPress. All right, and we now have our WordPress installation set up. It's that simple, and that's if you're setting it up on without Bluehost doing it for you. They can automatically set that up for you. So now we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to show you how to get in here. You click login. You go to your to this page right here. You type in your username and password. That is, if you can remember what that is. All right, now we're in the dashboard, was what we call this. This is the WordPress dashboard. And what this is going to show you here is all the options that you have for customizing your site, choosing themes. It comes WordPress 3.6 is the latest version, so that's what you'll get unless you choose something different. And to actually view your site, you'll go to screencast, then visit site, and you can see what it's going to look like. This is just the basic 2013 template, and you can see the basic 2013 template has this header up here with the name of your site, and this is the navigation bar. This is a post, and then you have a footer with some widgets in it. And widgets are just little blocks, basically little blocks of post names or text or anything like that, and I'll go through that in a later tutorial. But right now, I'm just going to show you a couple things that you can do to sparse this up and get started. How to get started with changing this. So let's go to screencast, back to the dashboard. Okay, then go to appearance and then customize. Now you're just going to be able to customize this layout, the colors a little bit and things like that. So this is your site title. So just another WordPress website. That's not what you want there. So we'll say there's a little sample header for that. Colors. This is the text in for your header, so you can change that to whatever you would like it. You notice that changes this to purple. Just basic stuff like this you can change. You can remove the image here, so it becomes white. And right here you can choose a different page. So if you wanted a sample page that comes with it to be our home page, then that would be it. So save and publish. It says saved here, so we'll close that. And this is, go back to visit site, which is up here, screencast, visit site. Now this is what your page looks like. So that's how to get started with WordPress, how to install it. It's an extremely simple process. Join me next time as I go through one or two areas of this homepage and how to make it look like you really want it to look. Go to trinitycodes.com to get one-on-one WordPress instruction.